Alright, so in today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can get HBO Max on your Fire TV, your Firestick, whatever Fire streaming device that you are using. Now this video isn't a way to show you how to get HBO Max for free. You're still going to have to pay for that subscription, but this is going to show you how to get that particular app on this device. Okay, so let's go ahead and dive into this. So grab your remote control, and in their top menu bar that's up here, you're going to want to scroll over to settings and then hit enter, or actually you'll press down, and then you're going to want to go over to device and software. Now this may read differently depending on which Fire device that you're using. It may say my Fire TV or my Fire something, but it'll be either on that or device software, and you click enter. Okay, next up you're going to want to go to developer options, click on that, and both of these are on default, they say off. You're going to want to go ahead and turn them both on. This one here, you'll get this little scary message here, but don't worry about it. Go ahead and just click on and bypass it so that they both read on. Okay, now that those are both turned on, go ahead and click on the home button again. Takes you back to the menu. And we're going to want to go over to the magnifying glass over here on the top corner, and we're going to type in the word developer. Alright, and it comes up right here, developer. Click on that, and it'll bring over this app right here in orange. It's got the arrow pointing down. Go ahead and install that. You'll click on that. Depending on your Wi-Fi connection and how fast your internet is, you'll go ahead and download it. So we will download Downloader. Alright, now it's downloaded. We'll go ahead and click open on it, and then you're on the bottom right hand corner, you'll get these options. You'll go ahead and just allow. Click on allow. It'll give you this menu here. You just click OK. Okay, so from this screen here, you're going to want to go over to this side menu bar and go down to settings, right there on settings, and just make sure that these three boxes here, or these three options, are selected and have a check mark just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and go back over to browser. Okay, so you're going to want to get your remote, and as you can see there's a circle there that's kind of like a mouse cursor, but you're going to want to go to that address bar there. Okay, so you'll click on that HTTPS website address, and you're just going to go ahead and clear all that out so that way we can start from scratch. Next, you're going to want to type in this web address that I put on the screen here, exactly the way it is. Okay, make sure that you type it in exactly like that, because if you don't, it's not going to work. If there's a capital letter there, make sure you put a capital letter. If it's lowercase, put lowercase. Now you're going to want to go down to go. Alright, and as you can see, it's connecting and it's downloading the file right now. Okay, and you're going to want to click on install. Alright, so you'll get this screen that pops up, and you see HBO Max is in the top corner. On the bottom corner here, you're going to want to click on install. Okay, and then it comes up on the screen, app is now installed. Okay, so from this screen here, instead of opening up, don't open it up yet. You're going to want to click on done, and then I'll show you what to do next. What it has is the APK files on here, and you don't want it anymore because we already have the app, so it's just kind of a dormant file. Go ahead and delete that. So click on delete, and then delete again, and then it should be off of the Fire Stick. Okay, so next you're going to want to click on the home button on your remote. It takes you to this home screen again, and then you want to click down. Now, for some reason right here, it would appear on your apps and channels, and usually whenever you download a brand new app, you click all the way over to see all, and with a new app that gets downloaded, it's always at the very bottom of your screen. But as you can see, it's not on there. For whatever reason, HBO Max doesn't come on there. So what we have to do now is go back to the home button, and then you're going to click over on the magnifying glass. Okay, so here you're going to go ahead and type in HBO. HBO. And if you see over here on the side loader, it does have HBO, HBO Max, and then HBO Go. We're going to go ahead and select HBO Max. And it brings up HBO here. As you can see, it doesn't have HBO Max on there for whatever reason. But we're going to go ahead and click on HBO. And as you see, HBO Max comes up on the screen whenever you click on the HBO icon. Okay, and there you have it. Here is the HBO Max, and you can either start your free trial over here on the side, or if you already have an account, you can sign in there, or if you bought it on the Google Play Store, you can restore the purchase there. But this is how you get the HBO Max app on your Fire Stick as of right now, because it is not available at the time of this recording on the Fire TV store or Fire Stick store or whatever they call that. But this is a way to get HBO Max or HBO Go or whatever they're calling this HBO app now. Hopefully this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, go ahead and throw a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.